Hello and welcome back to another English class with Mexican English, a channel where a Mexican and a Canadian come together to provide English speaking tips specifically targeted towards Spanish speakers.
El verbo get. Este verbo nos puede confundir mucho, especialmente a los hablantes hispanos, porque puede ser traducido de múltiples formas. El día de hoy vamos a aclarar muchas dudas al momento de usar este verbo. Vamos a revisar 14 frases con el verbo get en diferentes contextos. Forma número 1. He got really angry. Él se enojó mucho.
This could also translate to the word became. In this case, got comes before the adjective that describes a change of state. For example, he got wet from the rain. He was previously dry, but the rain came and then he got wet.
La segunda frase es things will get better. Las cosas van a mejorar.
Again, this relates to a change in state, comparing it to its previous condition.
Frase número 3. I don't get it. Lo entiendo.
Get can also refer to understanding or comprehending something. If you get it or don't get it, it refers to whether you understand or no.
Frase número 4. When will he get home? ¿Cuándo va a regresar?
When get is paired with a place, it can mean to reach or to arrive there.
Frase número 5. You should get a dog. Deberías comprar u obtener un perro.
When paired with a thing or an object, get can mean to buy or to obtain.
Frase número 6. The show got cancelled. El show fue cancelado.
When paired with a verb, it can refer to something happening to a person. For example, to get robbed, to get punched, or to get congratulated. Also, it can refer to an event happening.
Frase número 7. We got an award for winning the competition. Recibimos un premio por ganar la competencia.
To get can also refer to receive. For example, to get a present or to get an award.
La siguiente es get out of here. Get lost. Piérdete. Fuera de aquí.
Get can also be the commanding voice for the verb to go. For example, in the case of get out of here or get lost. Prepositions can change the meaning of any verb greatly. Let's look at a few examples in the next ones.
I need to get off at the next stop. Necesito bajarme en la siguiente parada.
To get off means to disembark in this example. It can also mean to escape a consequence. For example, the soccer player got off lightly. That means that he escaped his punishment that he deserves.
Las siguientes son de hecho expresiones, por lo tanto las traducciones literales podrían no funcionar. De todos modos explico más o menos cuál es el significado más cercano a ellos. Get on with it. Tiene el mismo significado que keep going o que continuar haciendo algo. Manos a la obra.
Yeah, get on with it is a phrase that means keep going with something. Stop delaying it.
La siguiente es get a life. Consíguete una vida.
Saying get a life is an expression of frustration, saying that someone's life is really boring or they're concerning themselves with things that are foolish or unimportant.
Get a grip. Esto significa mantén el control de ti mismo o de una situación.
Exactly. Get a grip means to maintain self-control or to gain control of a situation after losing it.
La siguiente frase es get along. No hay una traducción directa para esto, pero significa llevarse bien con alguien.
To get along means to have a good relationship with someone. For example, my sister and I get along well. We have a good relationship.
Y la última frase es get around to it. Tampoco hay una traducción específica para esta frase, pero significa hacer algo que todavía no ha sido hecho.
To get around to it means to deal with something that has not been done yet. For example, I will clean my car when I get around to it. Or, in the negative form, I could say, I was going to vacuum my house this past weekend, but I didn't get around to it. I didn't get the chance to do it. Or I didn't feel like doing it, so it didn't get done.
Ya sé, este verbo parece complicado. Especialmente este verbo get no tiene una traducción específica en muchos idiomas o especialmente en español. El mejor consejo que les podemos dar es stop translating. Este verbo se entiende mucho mejor si entendemos su contexto completamente en el idioma inglés, en lugar de tratar de traducir cada frase o cada vez que lo veamos, porque no vamos a encontrar una explicación única o una traducción única para este verbo. Recuerden, la mejor forma de entrar en el aprendizaje de un idioma es dejar de traducir y comenzar a pensar muchas veces en ese mismo idioma. Les recomendamos que repitan este video para que vean esas frases que les estuvimos diciendo hoy y que puedan entenderlas una a una. También les recomendamos que hagan ejemplos con cada una de las frases que dijimos hoy. Déjenos en la caja de comentarios sus propios ejemplos y díganos qué tal les fue.
So that's the end of this week's episode. Thank you for joining us on this slightly confusing lesson on the verb to get. And remember, if you want to continue supporting the projects and the work that we do, you can register to be a supporter on Patreon. The link can be found below in the information, and that helps us to continue making more videos like this. And it's where we upload additional documents and practice questions related to our podcasts and to our lessons. And thank you again for joining us this week, and we look forward to seeing you next week. See you soon.